He's here. The goat is here. This is Mrs. Goat.
Robin looking sharp. Robin came to play. The Procopios aren't messing around. They are in mid-season form, ladies and gentlemen. They are ready for XDA's return to the Rock here in beautiful Richmond County, North Carolina.